Hello everybody and welcome to another lesson about what we learn in school. This is session 3. My name is Adam Sensei or Adam Lauscher, depending on where you are, where you're watching from. Good afternoon, how are you? I hope you're all doing really well. So let's continue to learn about school. Now we have here in front of us a fairly typical school schedule. It's for Linda. It is Linda's school schedule. You can see the apostrophe S showing possession here. Now, she has 4 classes every day. She has 4 classes every day. And classes Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, as you can see. And these little pictures, which we've looked at in previous lessons, representing the different lessons that she has. So, looking at this schedule, do we know which day Linda has English? Can you see where on this chart is English? Well, we'll have a look. What day does Linda have English? What day does Linda have English? What day does Linda have English? Linda has English on Monday. You can see here looking at the chart, the A and the A here, that represents English. Linda has English on Monday. So, another question. Does Linda have science on Tuesday? Does Linda have science on Tuesday? Does Linda have science on Tuesday? Well, we can look at her schedule here, and we can go to Tuesday, and we can look down the list, and here, in the very first block, the first period, we can see this test tube, and that represents science, so the answer is yes. Yes. Linda has science on Tuesday. We can see it's got a little bit cut off by the thing here, but there you can see it. Yes, Linda has science on Tuesday. So we have another question now. Do you have music on Friday? Do you have music on Friday? Do you have music on Friday? Now this is a question for you. You have to answer it. We can look at Linda's schedule and see that yes, Linda does have music on Friday, but I don't know about you. Do you have music on Friday? Do you like to sing or play an instrument in music? It'd be really good to know. What is your favourite subject? What is your favourite subject? What is your favourite subject? This is another question I have for you. You might have your own favourite subject. Personally, my favourite subject is social studies. I like social studies. I like learning about different people and different cultures and where they're from and how they live their lives. So I like social studies. What is your favourite? And we can see here a word we're going to practice. Favourite. 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 And that just means your preferred one, the one you like the best. And yet again, we have another little regional spelling thing to bear in mind here. Favourite, spelled like this, Favorite. That's how they spell favourite in the United States. In a lot of other English-speaking countries, we put a U in there like that. So in Britain or Canada or New Zealand, Australia, they spell Favorite. But otherwise, it's pronounced exactly the same. So, what is your favourite or favourite lesson? So, we're going to just do a little worksheet now. So this is our worksheet, and we're going to start, as we always do, by putting our name in at the top. So I am Adam Sensei /Lauscher. Leave that there. And now you can see we've got below us Linda's school schedule, just like we just saw in the lesson. We can scroll through, and what do we have first? We have fill in the blank. So, Linda blank English on Monday. What word might go in there? What word might fit this gap? Question 2, and we have some choices here. So, what day do you have English? I have English, and then we've got 2 blanks. And the first one is a preposition, so you need to know which little word is going to go in here. And then you can say which day of the week you have English. Question 3. Does Linda have science on Tuesday? We have some options here. You can say, well, I'm not going to give you a hint, but blank, she blank. One of these words will go in the first blank, and another of these words will go in the second blank. And we can, of course, check back here to see which is the right answer. Okay, question 4. Do you have English on Thursday? And you can circle either yes, I do, or no, I don't, depending on whether or not you have English on Thursday. This is another one. What is your favourite subject? And you can circle one. I like Japanese, or national language, or math, science, social studies, or English, or music, or PE, or art. You can pick which of these is your favourite and circle it. And then for the younger kids, we have another question. And this is just you need to write out the classes that you have. I have math, or I have PE, and do this for all of the subjects that you have, and hopefully enjoy. Thank you so much for doing this lesson with me. I hope you found it useful, I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you later, alligator.